Welcome to Hgreglux. Here we have a 2020 Porsche 911 Carrera 4S. This car came with a clean Carfax. In this video, I'll be showing you any dents, scratches, or any wear and tear to the car to the best of our knowledge. First, we'll be going panel by panel. Let's start with the front bumper. Driver's side is in good condition. Okay, so the exterior of this car is in good condition. I'm not seeing any dents or scratches here, and all four wheels have no curb rash. Let's have a look inside. We're going to start off with the driver's seat. Side is in good condition. Let's take a look at the passenger side. Passenger side looks good as well. Let's have a look at the rest of the interior. First, we're going to start off with the center console. Have a look at the steering wheel. Excellent. So the interior of this car is in perfect condition. Let's have a look at the trunk. Thanks for watching this video. If you have any questions, please do not hesitate to speak to one of our representatives.